Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm organizing my washi tape. I'd originally gotten this box to hold our remotes for our television, but it wasn't long enough. So it's been sitting on my bookcase for about the last 6 months. Then the other day I went to get out some of my washi tape and it went rolling all over the craft room. So to make myself happy, I knew I had to contain it. And I thought about this box and thought, yeah, I think it'll work. So, my little collection of washi tape is now organized. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. The first thing I did was took a piece of my scrap foam core board and I put the washi on it to see roughly how high it is, and I didn't want to go all the way up to the end, so about 1.5 inches seemed to be just about right. So I just marked 1.5 inches across, drew my line, and cut it with a razor or an X-Acto knife or whatever it is you have. Then I measured the box for the length that I'd need, which was, in this case, roughly 7 inches. And then I just marked it here. And cut that. Once I had it cut out, I just used duct tape along the end to give it a nice smooth edge. And I only did one end because I want to put glue on this and it'll hold much better on the foam. Once everything was covered with the duct tape, I put some washi in the box to decide how far I needed it. I also wanted to keep the tapes that I use on a regular basis, like my double-sided tape, in there, and some of the holographic that I have. So once I decided where I wanted them, then I hot glued. And I hot glued on the bottom and up the sides. Now my washi tape is contained. I don't usually use this for a planner, but I do use washi tape to craft with. So I don't have a huge collection, but now I have it all in one place. Okay, now the little box has been turned into a container to hold my washi tape. Now anytime I need it, I can just take it down off the shelf and not have to worry about it rolling all over my craft room. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.